Robots work with gears and wheels, helping humans with big deals. In the lab or outer space, robots solve with fast-paced grace. Some can sense and some can move, tasks to learn and quickly prove. Automation means they think, with sensors they will never blink. Algorithm steps they take, patterns robots used to make. If and statements they must learn, to decide which way to turn. Engineers design their frame, using code they play the game. Programming is key, you see, to make robots work for me. In the future we might find, robots will expand our mind. Building, teaching, they might grow, helping everyone we know. In the future we might find,